So I am a member of the Children Panel, and that means that the Solicitors Regulation Authority, who regulates solicitors, has decided that I have a lot of experience and a lot of expertise to represent the interests of children in court. Solicitors who represent the interests of children take their instructions from a children's guardian. Sometimes they're representing children who have just been born, but most of the children, of course, are quite young, and they are too young to give instructions to their solicitor directly. And so the children's guardian is appointed from CAFCAS, and they will represent the children. They'll go and visit the children, they'll speak to the children if the children are old enough to speak to, they'll ascertain their wishes and feelings about what they want to happen, and they will give their instructions to the solicitor. And the job of the children's solicitor is to make sure that the children's voice is heard in court. Sometimes children's solicitors represent older children, and so when that happens we will usually go and visit the children with the children's guardian so that we can hear firsthand from the children what their views are about things, how they're feeling, what they want to happen. And when we do that, it's much easier for us to make sure that we say really fully and in some detail to the judge what that young person wants to happen. Sometimes when the child is much older, for example 14, 15, 16 years old, the guardian might want something for that child that the child doesn't want. It's often the case, for example, that a guardian might say, I am worried about your parents and I don't think you can go home to your parents. And a 15-year-old might say, I know what the risks are, but I still want to go home. And so in those situations, a 15-year-old child who really has some understanding of what the case is about and what the concerns are about her parents can have her own children's solicitor. And the children's solicitor would represent just them, would meet with them, would take instructions from them, and would prepare statements for them, and would represent their interests in court. The other thing that older children can do is they can come to court. So the judge will always welcome them into court and let them attend court hearings and be fully engaged in the process. Sometimes the children want to come to court to see what it's all about and to see the judge, but they don't